Aucto support team here. Let's add some assets to your virtual warehouse. Log into Aucto.com/ARS. From your dashboard, go to Virtual Warehouse, then click Add Asset in the top right corner. You'll see two options, Quick Add and Detailed Add. Choose Detailed Add, as this lets you provide all the key information up front so pricing and QA move faster. Go to the asset and locate the nameplate. Enter the manufacturer, then model, and year of manufacture. Tick suggested name to autofill the listing title. Next, add the serial number, or the VIN if it's a vehicle. Select the most accurate category for your asset. You can use the search bar to find it quickly. Enter dimensions. These are required for all assets except fleet, and add weight if available. Select your site. Sites can be added under company settings before cataloging. Then, add an identifier and internal location. These help your team manage post-sale removal smoothly. Set the condition using the scale from unknown to factory new. Use condition details to add context, like known faults, operating hours, or mileage. If your company tracks internal values, enter them under financials. And if you use custom fields, they'll appear here once set up in company settings. Photos make your listing stand out. Always upload at least 6 images. For larger machines or part slots, you can upload up to 30 photos. Add videos or documents as needed. We'll cover best practices for capturing media in another video. Click Save as Draft if you want to come back later, or add Asset to notify Octo and start the QA process. That's the basic flow, clean, complete, and fast. Next, we'll go deeper into the details that drive pricing accuracy and buyer confidence.